Good morning, everybody. Happy Family Dailies Day 5. বাইরে ঝুরঝুর করে বরফ পড়ছে। আমরা যাচ্ছি ব্রেকফাস্ট করতে। শাগনিক নাক মুখ ঢেকে বিজয়া ছাতার ভেতরে। We will share all our video, সব কটা ভিডিও শেয়ার করব। দেখতে থাকবেন, আমাদের সাথে থাকবেন। স্নোফলের মধ্যে দিয়ে মর্নিং ওয়াক। আজকের ব্রেকফাস্টে আমি নিয়েছি ইডলি, উপমা, আলু টিক্কি। শাগনিক নিয়েছে লুচি আর তরকারি। বিজয় আর আমি মোটামুটি সেম, ইডলি, উপমা, বেকড বিনস। শহরের একটা আশ্চর্য জায়গায় আমরা এসেছি, যেখানে সিল্কের কার্পেট তৈরি হচ্ছে। হাতে করে সিল্কের কার্পেট তৈরি এখন আর বেশি জায়গায় হয় না। শ্রীনগর শহরের মধ্যে মাঝখানে এই শোরুম কাম ওয়ার্কশপ। আপনাদের দেখাই কি করে হাতে করে সিল্কের কার্পেট ওনারা বানাচ্ছেন। এই ওয়ার্কশপের যিনি মালিক, ওনার সাথে আলাপ করি।
I am Rafiq Shah, and this is the company as old as 160 years. See, their patterns are written on these piece of papers. This is their guide. They keep on reading the pattern and making the knots accordingly. While making knots, they don't know what patterns coming up with their carpet. They don't know at all. After they complete the carpet, they see where I made flower, animal, or a bird. That's the best part of carpet making.
Excellent.
And initially, it takes about 7 to 10 days to set these warp threads on the loom, and which is 100% silk in twisted form. And the system is made like this. These warp threads have got 2 layers of threads, one the back, one the front, a big gap between the 2 layers. You can see it.
Yes, we can see the gap.
Yes. So the very important thing in carpet making is how an artisan makes a knot in the carpet. Just he will show you very slowly how he makes a knot here. See, he holds this knife in his right hand to cut the thread with which he has to make the knot. See what he does to make a knot. He pulls one thread from the back layer out, one from front layer out. He takes it around this one, then around the other one, bring it down and cut it.
My God.
Watch again.
This is a slow motion.
Slow motion knot making, yeah. See, back thread, front thread takes around this one, goes around the other one, bring it down and cut it.
My God.
This is how he makes a knot.
And
So-
this he does in fast speed.
Yes. And now see how on fast speed how he makes it. What pani ayubs? There's this. So when they complete the row of knots from this end to that end of the carpet, if one person among two is behind his job, other one has to wait till his part is over, because row of knots has to be always in one line. They cannot afford to leave any gap anywhere. That's a mistake. So after row is complete, then they pull down this shaft here, this shaft. Its principle works like this. It brings the back layer of the warp to front to back here at the base. Forms interlock like this.
Excellent.
Yes.
Excellent.
Yes. Then the only cotton thread we use in this is this thread.
Which is
Because-
used for?
Cotton thread. This is because strong thread. After row of knots is made, and this we call as a locking thread.
It will
This
lock.
Lock the row of knots.
Ah.
Every row of knots they make in the carpet. He will do it little bit. You can see how he puts the lock through. Here you are. Now after this is put, then he hammers these knots. This is a comb hammer to push these knots closer and tighten. Now let me tell you this. Very important to know. One is the row of knots is made and lock is put through and hammering is done. If you bring any instrument in the world or even your good sharp teeth to pull one complete out of the carpet, nobody can do that on earth.
Excellent.
That means every single knot in the carpet is perfectly locked up. And that is the main reason why we can use handmade carpets for hundreds of years. Because lock is there, only toe will go.
Okay.
So in this process, it will take the family of two brothers to make this size carpet 6 feet wide, 9 feet long, about 2 years and 3 months time.
2 years and 3 months for one carpet.
One carpet, 6 by 9 size, silk on silk. And on this quality, they are not able to concentrate continuously more than an hour. It strains their eyes. So they have to go out for walk, refreshment, half an hour, come back and work. They work maximum 4.5 hours a day, 5 days a week.
My God.
This is all about it.
Excellent.
Any questions? I can answer you that. That is keeping me alive and strong.
Because you have the passion in you.
Yes, I make, by the grace of God, impossible possible carpets. I have made some projects. That is keeping me alive. I get up 4 in the morning.
4 o'clock.
4 in the morning. He's the person who makes the pattern by hand. Then the code writing, and the best part, the dyeing of the material by hand.
Yes.
You can see that.
Hand dyed.
Hand dye, yes. Old process. And this is the library of codes. And this is how he makes a knot, as you have seen outside.
Yes. Yes.
And how he puts a lock through. You know, puts a lock through here.
Yes. This is the cotton thread.
Yes. Then the best part, the washing of these. This washing proves their genuinity, how genuine these. Soap and water. Soap and water, yes. My carpet you can wash thousands of times. Will not lose its shape, style or color. Then this is the heritage material of Kashmir. You know, Pashmina.
Pashmina.
Yes. It is not easy to make thread from this delicate wool. It's not easy. Only a woman who has 2 generation, 3 generation history can spin it and make a fine thread. And thickness of this thread is 1/10 the thickness of human hair.
My God.
Then this thread goes through a long process. Finally, it is being lacquered, made stronger by lacquer. Then put on the hand loom to make shawl or a stole. Then these artisans do fine embroidery on a pashmina shawl using pure silk thread by needle.
This is also very time consuming.
Oh yes. And this is how we wash a pashmina shawl, by soap and water.
My God. Like a bhatti in the bhatti.
Yes, everything genuine at this place. Mr. House, please. Açımız sığırsı.
Just take a photo of this. This is the traditional way of keeping the room warm.
Yes, Bukhari.
This is called Bukhari. This is a traditional. This is absolutely traditional. You won't see this.
Sir, I believe.
They have. But nowadays what has happened, the household has become very small.
That's why I have brought the smaller one, not a big one. See, this is 4 by 6 carpet in wool. It has taken one person to make it about 4 months time only. Because wool thread being thick takes less time to make. Silk thread being so fine takes 4 times more time. What's out? There you go. You keep looking at the carpet, you will just turn around. Soft. You will feel comfortable when you walk on barefoot. See, he turn around, it changes the color, although wool never changes, but it's the quality of wool we have used in this.
Color change.
Watch again, फिर भी. Here you go.
Oh,
And let me tell you without exaggeration, this carpet has a life of 100 years to live, more than 100 years. I will not live that long, for sure, but this is life here. And washable with soap and water. And look at the back of this carpet, as good as front, one can easily use from back side as well. Speaks about the quality.
But just for the sake of our viewers who watch our YouTube channel,
Yes, sir.
could you please share the price of this?
43,000 rupees, this size. This size is 43,000 rupees. I show you series of designs and colors in the same size, price is what?
42,000. This is the price of a woolen
Wool carpet.
wool carpet. No need to show a silk carpet, at least for
No,
the
I'll show you.
No,
I'll show
no.
you.
No, no, no.
See, in silk we make two categories. One with cotton base like this has, and silk knotting. That means 15% cotton, 85% silk. Then we make silk on silk, it's ultimate. Now see silk on cotton. Anaka. This has taken. This has taken about 1 year to make. Here.
exactly difference the way.
Yes.
You can see the difference.
Your hand will feel the difference.
This is silk on silk.
Silk on cotton.
Silk on
Silk on
cotton.
cotton, yes.
Silk on cotton.
Now,
Babu,
little boy,
Babu.
come to this side. See from here, it's a different color from here.
Yes. It has different colors.
The color will change.
Yes.
No, don't
On silk, on silk.
take it from this side. Yes.
Also don't remove. Now
So,
see,
let us go step by step. So this was wool on cotton.
cotton.
And this was 43,000. Sizes are same.
Same, yes.
And this is 43,000.
Yes.
This is
Silk on cotton.
on cotton.
Yes.
So please,
1,30,000 rupees. It's the amount of labor that has gone into it.
Oh.
it is one year. It takes 1 year. to
1
make.
year.
And that took 24 months to make.
Yes. Now see, silk on silk ultimate. Ultimate. It's my baby. It has taken one person to make this about 1 year and 9 months time.
करीबन 2 साल. करीबन 2 साल.
Your eyes will feel the difference. It has a velvety feel.
Still different.
Of course. Huge difference.
And how the color is changing.
Huge color change.
And this takes 1 year, 9 months.
9 months to make, and the price on this is 2,40,000.
What is the weight of these, any of all these three? What is the weight?
6 to 7 kilos.
Each. Thank you. But
It's a tradition of this place
yes.
Oh.
to serve with a welcome drink, you know.
We were not supposed to come to this showroom. Again, I have a firm belief on this person. We were not
He
planning to
made
come.
it to move you. Move.
We were not planning this.
Yes.
We were planning to go to Tanmarg
Okay.
because I was planning to see. Because I did not plan to buy anything. My idea was to come and see what people are actually doing here.
Right.
And so that I have come, 600 people will see this video today.
Yes.
They will also plan, okay, let's go to this Mr. Ali's place. হ্যান্ডিক্রাফট শোরুম থেকে বেরিয়ে দেখছি কাশ্মীর শহর জুড়ে প্রচণ্ড বরফপাত। আমরা এখন চলেছি লাল চক বলে মার্কেট কমপ্লেক্সের দিকে। রাস্তায় শুধু বরফ পড়ছে, বড় বড় করে বরফ পড়ছে। এই হলো কাশ্মীরের শ্রীনগরের ঐতিহাসিক লাল চক। জায়গাটার নাম লাল চক এই জন্যে যে মেজরিটি বাড়িগুলোর রং হচ্ছে লাল এবং বিভিন্ন ব্র্যান্ডেড নন ব্র্যান্ডেড শোরুম এই অঞ্চল জুড়ে। অনেকটা আমাদের নিউ মার্কেটের মতোই, তবে একটু পুরনো। এসে গেছে আমাদের লাঞ্চ। শাগনিক অলরেডি বসে রয়েছে, কখন লাঞ্চের জিনিসটা আসবে। আমরা আজকে লাঞ্চ করার জন্য মোগল দরবার বলে একটা রেস্টুরেন্টে গিয়েছিলাম, ঢুকেও ছিলাম, কিন্তু বিজয়ার অ্যাম্বিয়েন্সটা এবং ওখানকার গন্ধ ভালো লাগলো না, সেই জন্য আমরা ভেতরে ঢুকেও বেরিয়ে চলে এলাম ব্যাক টু অর্চার্ড রিসর্ট রিট্রিট অ্যান্ড স্পা ফর লাঞ্চ। সেই জন্য লাঞ্চটা একটু হয়ে গেল দেরি।
চিকেন ফ্রাইড রাইস, প্লেন রাইস, চিলি চিকেন, জিরা।
গুড ইভিনিং গাইজ, আমরা এখন যাচ্ছি ডিনার করতে। এখন বাজে ঠিক রাত্রি 9টা। বাইরে এখন ঝুরঝুর করে বৃষ্টি হচ্ছে, বরফ পড়া থেমে গেছে, আর বাইরে বরফ নেই। যেটুকু বরফ পড়েছিল সেগুলো গলছে। এখন আমরা যাচ্ছি ডিনার করতে। এই দেখুন, কাশ্মীরে এসে আমরা শ্রীনগরে বর্ধমানের লোক পেয়েছি। নাম বাতায় স্যার আপনার?
परवेज अहमद
এই পারভেজ আহমেদ ভাই 2 বছরের জন্য বর্ধমানে ছিলেন। সিটি হোটেলে উনি 2 বছর কাজ করেছেন। कौन से साल से कौन से साल तक?
15-16
2015 से 2016 तक। तो हेलो बोल दीजिए हर बर्धमान के लोगों को। थैंक यू सो मच परवेज भाई। बर्धमान के लोग भी आपको
हाँ खूब
दुआ
साथ
दे रहे
रहेंगे, दुआ देंगे।
আজকে ডিনারে কি আছে দেখি। চিকেন মাঞ্চাও স্যুপ,
चिकन मंचूस
ক্রিম অফ ওটস স্যুপ, প্লেন রাইস, রুটি নান। রুটি নানটা পেতে সবসময় একটু দেরি হয়, রুটি নান যথারীতি এখানে নেই। ডাল মাখানি, আলু গোবি, এতদিন পরে ফুলকপি এসেছে, কর্ন পালক, কর্ন ফ্রাইড রাইস, আজকে কর্নটা আবার বেশি, চিলি পনির, হাক্কা নুডলস, পিঙ্ক সস পাস্তা, ওয়াজা চিকেন, আর তার সাথে হলো এটা কি ফিরনি। এখানে একটা কি একটা আছে, চকলেট মুস। বাবু আজকে ডাইরেক্টলি শুরু করে দিয়েছে রাইস দিয়ে। কি রাইস শাগনিক? প্লেন রাইস উইথ ডাল মাখনি, নো রুটি নো নান।
খাবো এটা রাইসের না অন্য একটা গন্ধ পেয়েছি কিন্তু বাটার বাটার গন্ধ
আপনার?
স্যুপ খাওয়া হয়ে গেছে
আমার এখন স্যুপ শুরু হচ্ছে। হাই, গুড ইভিনিং এভরিবডি। টুডে উই আর এন্ডিং আওয়ার 5th ডে, আমাদের 5 নম্বর দিন অ্যাট প্যারাডাইস। শাগনিককে দেখেই বুঝতে পারছেন যে ওর ঘুম পেয়ে গেছে। আর আপনাদের যদি আমাদের ভিডিও ভালো লাগে তাহলে কি করবে?
লাইক
আর
কমেন্ট
আর
সাবস্ক্রাইব
থ্যাংক ইউ, গুড নাইট।